Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is Oreo cake, and this cake is prepared with only 3 ingredients. Follow the same recipe as it is to get soft, moist and fluffy Oreo cake. And this cake is prepared without oven. You can prepare this cake on any occasions like birthday parties or any anniversaries. Even kids can prepare this yummy cake. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Take a big size kadai. To this add salt. And this salt we can reuse many times. Now place a wire stand, close the lid and preheat this kadai in a medium flame for 10 minutes. Now take 2 big size Oreo packets and the weight of each packet is 125 grams. Now I am going to separate these cookies and cream. Transfer all the cookies to the mixer jar. With this separated cream, later we prepare the topping for the cake. Now grind these cookies into fine powder. Transfer this cookie powder in a bowl. To this add 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. To this add 1.5 tablespoon baking powder. If you don't have baking powder, you can substitute this with 1.5 tablespoon ENO. Now mix all the ingredients without any lumps. To this add half cup milk, and this is boiled, cooled room temperature milk. And please don't add any water while boiling the milk. Now mix this cake batter without any lumps. If your batter is thick, you can add 2 more tablespoons of milk. Now mix this properly. And that's it, our cake batter is ready. Here I have taken a 6-inch cake tin. Now apply oil to this cake tin. And now place the butter paper on it. And if you don't have butter paper, you can dust this with some flour. Now again apply some oil on the butter paper. Now pour the cake batter. Now tap this cake mold to remove air bubbles. Now place this cake mold in a preheated kadai. Now bake this cake for 30 to 35 minutes in a medium flame. And if you want to bake this in oven, you can bake this at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And please do not open the cake oftenly to check the cake. Open only after 25 to 30 minutes. Now insert a toothpick to check whether this cake is done or not. If it comes clear, then it's done. And you can switch off the flame. Now cover this with a cloth and rest this until it is cooled down completely. Now smash this separated cream with the help of a fork or spoon. To this add 3 tablespoons of oil gradually and mix well. Do not add any milk to this mixture. If you want this in chocolate flavor, you can add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to this mixture. Beat this for 2 to 3 minutes to get perfect consistency. To wet the cake, here I have taken Milkmaid and 2 tablespoons of water. And this is completely optional. If you don't have, you can skip this step. Now let's remove the cake from the cake tin. Now remove the butter paper. You can see here this cake comes out very soft and moist. And this is also very fluffy. Now let's decorate this cake. Wet this cake with Milkmaid mixture. You can skip this step if you want. Now apply this prepared cream on top of it. Spread this cream on top of the cake with the help of a spoon. Now spread this cream evenly. Now top this with some crushed Oreo cookies. Or you can write any name on top of it like happy birthday or happy anniversary. And that's it, yummy and delicious Oreo cake is ready to serve. Try this simple cake at home and do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share this recipe with your friends and family. If you want the recipe in Telugu, please click the link in description box below. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.